Hi guys, My Tech Talks here, and today we are going to unbox, review and sound test the OontZ Angle 3S by Cambridge Soundworks, so stay tuned. Now I know this isn't a newly released speaker, but if you've been following our channel at all, you'll know we did a video a couple of weeks ago on the top 5 best budget Bluetooth speakers, and we had this speaker at number 5. We also asked you to vote on which one you wanted us to do a review, sound test and durability test on, and this speaker won by a landslide. This is actually a top seller on Amazon, guys, okay, so this is a very popular little Bluetooth speaker, this one. Incidentally, we'll also be doing a review, sound test and various durability tests on all of those other Bluetooth speakers in that video I just mentioned, as well as pitching them against each other to see which is the best of the bunch and what one is the best value for money. So make sure you subscribe so you do not miss any of those videos. Okay, so let's get to this now. What have we got in the box? Well, I have to say it's a lot smaller than I thought it would be, but it does seem quite compact and sturdy. Closer look at that in a moment. Okay, so there's our leads. What have we got? So, okay, we've got a standard micro USB charging cable to connect to a computer or your regular phone charging plug or brick, as well as a 3.5mm audio cable for non-Bluetooth devices. Yeah, this is quite small, but it's compact and it does feel pretty sturdy and durable, to be honest. It's all hard plastic with a metal grille covering the speakers. There's our buttons, dual function Bluetooth button, track back, play pause, track forward, volume down, power and volume up. Okay, so it's got pretty good rubber strips on the bottom for grip. And for the money, I have to say I'm pretty impressed so far, as it seems not bad quality at all. I'm liking this, guys. It's decent quality for the money. There's our connection ports for the charging cable and the 3.5 audio cable inside a neat little rubber cover for that IPX5 water resistance. That's a very neat, pretty well fitting, decent quality rubber cover, that, which seems like it's going to last. Okay, so IPX5 water resistance, not completely waterproof, but very good splash proof. We'll be putting that to the test in another video very soon, so keep an eye out for that. Okay, so let's connect it now and test it out.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette.
Very low right now.
Step by step, the clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan.
It's about 50%.
Around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
50%. Okay guys, hope that didn't go on too long and bore you, but my verdict is that this is a great little Bluetooth speaker, very affordable, and no surprises as to why it's a bestseller on Amazon. Not brilliant quality admittedly, but certainly not bad at all, and definitely good enough I think for the price. Plus I have to say this was pretty damn loud, so very good value overall in my personal opinion. Links in the description down below guys if you're interested in buying this one. Well, that about wraps it up. I hope this was helpful, and if it was, give it a thumbs up, comment and share, and please subscribe if you care. Thanks for watching, take care, see you soon.